Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sheena Jones. I decided I would make this video today because I have a lot of people that have signed up for Forsage, not with me, with other sponsors. And they're saying that, okay, I signed up, but I'm not making any money. I joined, came in on, as you guys know, Forsage X4 is the team build. So with the team build, you guys, you don't really have to refer anybody. So like I said, they're saying, okay, I signed up and I'm on level 1, or I went ahead and went to level 2. I'm not making any money yet, and so forth. Okay, what I want you guys to understand is, for those that cannot refer and that come into Forsage, you guys, X Forsage X4 is the team build. You don't have to refer to make any money. But if you come in for a level 1 to 3, you guys, and you basically everyone is coming in, you guys, that claims they can't refer, they're coming in level 1, level 2, and level 3. If every single person is coming in at them levels, you guys, you're basically going to be sitting there waiting. We don't know how long you're going to be waiting, you guys, for the simple fact there's no time frame, you guys, on when your spots will get filled. There's none whatsoever, no time frame. But for those that come in, as you guys can see here, this person here, ID 4060, they have no referrals. That you guys can see there, zero. They have none. They have made $1,735. And they came in to Forsage X4, the team build. They came in all the way to level 7, you guys. They came in all the way to level 7. When you come in at a higher level, you guys, meaning, okay, level 4, 5, 6, or 7, them are higher levels. You come in at higher levels, you're going to benefit quicker than somebody coming in level 1, 2, or 3. You're going to benefit quicker, you guys. So for those that are saying, okay, well, I've been in 3 days, or I've been in a week, I've been in a month, and I haven't made any money yet, it's because you're on level 1. Majority of all the people that have messaged me are only on level 1, and some are on level 2. That's it. They haven't upgraded. They haven't did nothing. So I simply tell them, okay, upgrade. Okay, well, Sheena, if I upgrade, how soon will I see money? There's no time frame on earnings, you guys. There's no time frame. We don't know when these spots are going to get filled. But by you coming in level 4 through level 6, I'm saying we're coming in with the higher levels, level 4 all the way to level 7, whatever you choose to come in, level 4, 5, 6, and 7 are higher levels. By you coming in them higher levels, you have a better chance to benefit. Coming in at only a level 1, level 2, level 3, you're going to be waiting, you guys, like the other people. If 1,000 people only came in at level 1, level 2, and level 3, then all them 1,000 people, they're going to be getting spots are going to be getting filled slowly. But if you come in at the higher levels, 4, 5, 6, or 7, you have a better chance that your spots getting filled much quicker, you guys, and you getting spillovers. So I just want to put that out there. But as you guys can see here, this person here has no referrals. They made $1,735, and they came in on Forsage X4, the team build, at level 7. How the team build works, you guys, once you come in, upgrade to a higher level, 4, 5, 6, or 7, and you're able to benefit, you guys. You're going to get spillovers from people that came in before you, people that came in after you, and people that upgrade before their sponsor, you guys. There's a lot of people that are coming in. They're like, I don't feel like waiting. So they're going to pass their sponsors. They're going to upgrade to higher spots in X4 before their sponsor, for the simple fact they want to come in earning money fast. They don't have time to sit up here and be waiting on trying to get referrals. So they're going to come in fast, you guys. They're going to come in level 4, 5, 6, or 7 and say, okay, I want to make money fast. So this is just a decision that you have to make. Do you want to come in making money slow, come in level 1, level 2, level 3, making money slow, or do you want to come in at higher levels, 4, 5, 6, or 7? Coming in making money fast? And I'm pretty sure this person here, they didn't have to wait for a very long time, you guys, for their levels to get filled. And I want you guys to understand as well, you don't have to wait for your levels to get filled in order. They're never going to fill in order like that. As you guys can see here, level 1, you see how level 1, you guys, on X4, you see how their spots, let me scoot this over, their spots on level 1, none of them are filled. Okay, level 2, okay, they got paid twice. Level 3, none of their spots are filled. Level 4, 1 is filled. Okay, look at level 7. You guys see on level 7, their spots are filled. So you guys, it doesn't matter it matters what level you come in. But like I said, the spots are not going to get filled. The levels are not going to get filled in order. They're going to get filled as who comes in. As you guys can see, they're level 6 and 7. They're getting filled up. So that's why they were able to make that 1,000. What did they make? It was $1,735 because let me tell you what level 7 pays out. Level 7 pays out, you guys, $371. So they got paid $371 twice. Level 6 pays out $185. So they got paid $185, you guys, twice. So you guys, that's why I said they're able to make that fast money because they came in not wanting to wait on level 1, 2, or 3 to fill up. They came in, it started at level 7. Let me show you guys another account. Let's log out of that. And you guys, these counts are, if you're already in Forsage, these counts you can view on your own. Anyone can see them. They're not private. Okay, so we did that account. Let's wait now to log out. Excuse me. Okay. We're going to go to another account. Like I said, because there's plenty more, you guys. Okay, 4406. Okay, we're going to go viewing. Okay, you guys. This person just got one person. But like I said, we're not going to really talk about it because like I said, right now, we're talking accounts without referrals. So we're going to log out of that account. That's 4406. Okay, we're going to go to another one. Okay, let's wait for this one to log out. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. Okay, we're going to go to 4406. I think I went to the wrong one, 4406. That's what I think. Let's double check, you guys. Yeah. Okay, 4406. Okay, we're going to log out. I went back to again. Let's just go to another account. Because you guys, the crazy thing about this is like when I just checked this probably a couple minutes ago, this account has 0 referrals. And now they have 1. So, okay. Excuse me. We're going to go to account 5362. Okay, as you guys can see here, 5362, as you guys can see at the top here, they have 0 referrals. They have not referred a single person. They have made a total so far of $950. Let's scroll down to Forsage X4. The last account, the previous account that we seen, the first one, they came in at level 7. This person here came in all the way to level 6, you guys. And as you guys can see, they have made $950, you guys, without referring a single person because they decided to come in and they said, okay, I don't want to make money slow. I want to make money fast. I can't refer. So I'm going to come in all the way to level 6. So you guys, and let me also give you guys a breakdown. To come in at all the way to level 4, you guys, is going to be a total of $92.94. I'm not including the network fees, you guys. That's the total to come in. Who knows what your network fees is? It varies by the country you live in. So I would recommend putting in $100 and something just so you have that money to cover those network fees. If you want to come in the level all the way to level 5, that's going to be $185.87. I would recommend coming at $200 and something, loading your wallet with $200 and something so you're able to cover those network fees. To come in at level 6, it's $371. I would say coming with a little extra, probably coming with $400 to cover those network fees, you guys. Okay, we're going to log out of this account. We're going to go to another one. Okay, 65268. Okay, waiting on this to log out. It's a little slow. Okay, you guys. The next account, what did I say it was? 652. Oops, I put 653, 652, 6. Okay, I didn't say 65. I see my tablet has a mind of its own today. It just wants to do what it wants to do. Okay, 65268. There we go. Okay, viewing. This is going to be the last account I show you. I have a lot more, but like I said, I just want to show you guys that you can make money without referring, just coming at the higher levels. If you can afford to come out at the higher levels, if you can't, then I would recommend doing your own due diligence and going into the Forsage group and learning, you guys, learning how Forsage work, learn how to post ads. Mark posts, you know, guys, the ads that you can use to post to different Facebook groups. He tells you to copy this and paste it on different social media sites. A lot of people are doing that and it's working for them. You can do it also. Join different Facebook groups, you guys, on Facebook. And start posting these ads in those Facebook groups. Start building up your friends list of like-minded people that have an entrepreneur mindset and adding them as friends. Go to their profile, see what they're talking about. Are they posting different opportunities? If they are, add them, you guys, as a friend. So you can build up your friends list. Start joining different Facebook groups. But you guys, as you can see, ID 65268 has 0 referrals. They've made $623. And let's scroll down to X4. They have came in all the way into level 6. So as you guys are seeing, we're seeing people, the 2 accounts that I just showed, they came in at level 6. The first account, they came in all the way in level 7. So as you guys can see, people are coming in, you guys, at level 6. We see level 6 is benefiting and level 7 benefiting more. But like I said, it's up to you if you want to come in at the higher levels. The higher levels would be level 4, 5, or 6, you guys, or 7. It's really up to you what you can afford to come in at. But like I said, if you want to take the fast start way, and you can afford to come in at these higher levels, then by all means go ahead. While you join these higher levels, go on that side, that Forsage group, you guys, and learn. It's going to benefit you in the long run. It's going to benefit you if you learn, start watching how to post ads. Go on YouTube, learn how to figure out how to start posting ads, start making catchy ads. If you can't make a catchy ad, go on Facebook and start looking at stuff that people post and change it into your own words, you guys. That's what a lot of people do. Change it into your own words, but it works. Just keep posting. The key with Forsage, you guys, is if you can't recruit, is to be consistent with your learning how to do this, how to do that. Because like I said, at the end, it's going to benefit you in more ways than you could imagine, you guys. But you guys, already have a team build already going for people that came in on the lower levels. They want to come in level 1 or 2 or 3. I already have one of them. If you're interested in wanting to join this team build here and want to come in, like I said, the fast track, level 4 or 5, 6 or 7, feel free to message me, you guys, on Facebook if you are interested. Like I said, it's not for people that are in Forsage already. This is for people that are new to Forsage. They've been searching around for a while and want to join with a team, a sponsor that's actually going to help them. I actually do help my team members, give them all the info. That's why like I said, our team build, the first one that I created in May at the beginning, towards the end of May, is doing so well right now. And people are happy and they're upgrading and so forth, is because, like I said, it's much slower. They came to level 1, 2, or 3, but people are upgrading. But like I said, it's slower. So do you want to come in slow or do you want to come in fast? It's really up to you. But you guys, this here is Forsage. I basically showed you how you can earn on Forsage without referring anybody to Forsage. If you're interested in getting started, I'm going to put the link to message me on Facebook, you guys. And like I said, I actually help my team members. Those that know me, that are actually in my team build, know what I do. Not just myself, what my team also does. We have about 3 or 4 other members in there that are actually helping the team. So like I said, everybody that comes in is not going to do what we do. They're not going to help you. They're not going to explain stuff to you. A lot of you have joined sponsors and they have not helped you. They don't even understand this. So my thing is, for those that have not joined Forsage yet, do not join somebody that does not understand Forsage because they're your friend. I understand you want to help your friend out and you know what I mean? They want to see that this works and all that. But if they don't know the information, they can't guide you and you have to sit up here and reach out to other people for info, then you didn't pick a good sponsor. You didn't pick a good sponsor at all. And like I said, I don't mind answering questions, you guys, helping those that don't understand and letting you know, X, Y, and Z, but also do your own due diligence. When I say do your own due diligence, I mean, if you're already in Forsage, go in your back office, click on information at the top right here, click on instructions. Once you click on instructions, you're going to need to scroll down, you guys. When you scroll down, it breaks down Forsage, you guys, how it works, how much each level costs, and so forth. How much you're going to need. It breaks down everything. What are the bubbles? What is the blue bubble, the pink bubble, the purple bubble, and so forth. Reinvesting, what's upgrading, what are overflows, overtaking, and return. It breaks down everything in your back office if you are already a member. You just have to do your own due diligence. Go to your back office and study this stuff, you guys. It's self-explanatory. So you don't have to reach out to other people asking what is this and what is that. Join the Forsage Facebook group on Facebook. It's called Forsage Success Team. It has over 5,000 members, you guys. There's so much useful info in there for you to just learn. Take some time out of your day, an hour or two, maybe even 30, 40 minutes, you guys, just to go in there and just start viewing everything. Go in the file section. The file section inside the group has all the how-to videos for you so you can learn yourself everything. It's because it's like, okay, let's say you decide to come into the Fast Start team build and, okay, you start making money and you start making videos, YouTube videos, or showing people you're making money. How are you going to help your team if you ain't never learned anything? They're going to be upset and then they're going to fall off. A lot of people have fell off because they joined somebody. They didn't know that person they joined didn't know what they were doing, didn't know really much about Forsage. They just joined them because they were a friend or because they sold them a bunch of lies, told them they would help them and they know this and they don't know that. In reality, they don't know anything. And that person basically fell off, didn't do anything, didn't upgrade, didn't do anything because you never helped them. That's why I'm telling you, do your own due diligence, go in your back office, study this stuff, join the Forsage Facebook group, start studying the info, getting yourself familiar with everything so you can help people that decide to join you. You can help them. And then once people start joining you, you can go ahead and start upgrading in X3. X3 is the team build. Once you start getting referrals, you guys, from people seeing that you're making money, go ahead and start upgrading in Forsage X3. That's for when referrals. Your referrals are going to start coming in. They're going to start seeing, wow, they're making money. Then you can start upgrading, you guys, to in X3 to the higher levels. Excuse me, in X3. And like I said, they're going to pay out the same as X4. Forsage X4 is going to pay out, you guys. So like I said, do your own due diligence, you guys. It's going to help you. It's going to benefit you. If you are not in Forsage at all and you've been thinking about joining Forsage, but you want to join a good sponsor, that's going to actually help you, guide you. And you want to, like I said, this is the fast track. I already have a group for people that want to come in level 1, 2, or 3. This new team build that I'm doing is for people that want to come in on the fast track, want to come in level 4, 5, or 6. And they don't feel like they don't have time to sit up here and be waiting. Slow money's not for them. They want to make fast money. Feel free to message me on Facebook, you guys, and let's work together and let's build this up. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I want to thank everyone for taking the time out to watch this video, and until next time.